Can you learn about all the tech gadgets and various aspects of your life in just one video? Know about the ideal and unique gadgets related to fun, house chores, study, pets, hygiene, and so much more. We have everything crammed up for you in just a single video today. Hang on to find out. All the tech gadgets designed and created to make your life easier and cooler are discussed in this video. We are sure you want to stay up to date with the newest and trendiest gadgets, and we will make sure of it that you do. Sit tight and don't go anywhere, because this is your chance to know it all. But before going any further, if you're watching this video right now, please hit like. If you're new to this channel and want to know more about the trendiest and craziest gadgets and tech available in the market, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell icon so that you can get notified whenever amazing videos like this are uploaded. If you want to get any of these gadgets today, click the link in the description box down below to get a special Tech Giants discount. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Giant. Number 1. Quvation TiO2 Wireless Charging Pad. This unique gadget is not just a wireless charging pad. It is a 4-in-1 device. 4 different functions can be performed with this single device. Apart from being a wireless charging pad that uses the nano photocatalyst technology of Japan, it is also a purifier or cleaner. When your smartphone or any other device or small belonging is not in use, you can place it on the pad, and with the cutting-edge technology, it will disinfect and cleanse it. Furthermore, it can perform various tasks like being a mobile holder and a table lamp. It has a stylish design and looks well in both your home and office. It is available in different versions. Charging Pad Plus, and Desk Mat are a few of the many options. It also functions to purify the air around 24/7 by eliminating bacteria, viruses, and unpleasant odors. When light is available, it decomposes them, and when there is no light present, it absorbs them. Number 2. Power Light Solar Kit by BioLite. Now you can carry a light source everywhere you go. It is a specially designed monocrystalline solar panel with 5 watts of energy. It has smart detectors which automatically reconnect the solar panel as soon as it detects cloudy weather. It is able to obtain energy from the sun while placed at any angle so that you'll always have an energy supply. It produces 450 lumens of broad spectrum light. It's a very convenient way to provide you with the light for your late night adventures and outdoor parties all night long. It is also provided with a built-in board that can be used to recharge your phone, tablet, etc. Number 3. AirSquares Earbud Cleaning. This is a rather simple way of cleaning your earbuds regularly. It is a putty that collects and clears out all the debris and earwax from your earbuds or AirPods when you press it against them. You can simply peel off all the dirt. It greatly improves the look of your earbuds, but not just that. When you clean your earbuds regularly, you clear the airflow pathway for better sound transmission and provide a clearer way for sound waves. This lets you listen to better quality music. It is very useful for your AirPods or earbuds to keep them as good as new. You can also use them to clean your phone or laptop speakers from unnecessary dirt and debris. Dirt hinders sensors from connecting with your phone, so when you remove it, the pairing speed and efficiency increase. Number 4. Nightcore NTP30. This pen can be a lifesaver for you. This clearly designed, innovative pen is made from a corrosion and breakage-resistant CNC machine body of titanium alloy. It is very strong, yet lightweight. It has an easy, smooth grip and contains a sturdy clip so that you can fix it in your notebook, bag, or pocket. The special part about it is its tungsten steel tapered tip. It can be used for 2 major purposes. It can be used in self-defense or to break glass in emergency situations. This tip can be accessed in place of the ordinary pen tip through a 2-directional bolt design. There's an L-shaped slider groove for this, which also works as a locking mechanism. Number 5. Dyson OmniGlide Multi-Directional Vacuum. The key feature of this vacuum is that its fluffy brushes will move in all directions, forwards, backwards, right, or left. Along with larger litter, it can also clean fine dirt particles. It can slide into small spaces, under narrow tables, and move past obstacles. The cleaner head rotates 360-degree casters, which allows it to easily clean different levels of surfaces. Sealed ball bearings make it possible for ease of direction change to clean dirt from every nook and corner. It can work up to 20 minutes, so it can cover a lot of surfaces to clean and work multiple times. An ejection mechanism on the bin with the rotary catch is added to empty the dirt and litter in an easy way, which makes it even more convenient. Number 6. BioLite Charge to Portable Power Bank. The perfect partner for your adventurous trips. This device will make sure your smartphone, tablet, or camera will not run out of battery. You can stay connected to the world and keep capturing your memories and all the amazing sights without the fear of your battery running out. It has a built-in battery of 26 milliamps per hour of power. It is designed especially with stainless steel and silicone gasket, which ranks it at IPX6 in being waterproof. This makes it safe to be used in every weather condition. The choice of stainless steel makes it extremely lightweight and strong. It is designed to be portable. This way you can always have your devices charged. Number 7. NUYUS Scan Reader Pen 3. Reading has never been easier than it is now with NUYUS Scan Reader Pen, no matter the language. It helps turn text into speech, helps to translate languages, and it also functions as a dictionary. Just scan the text you want and make it easy for yourself to read any kind of text. It is ideal for those with reading difficulties. They can just select the text, scan it, and have it turned into speech. It also makes it easier for you to study in foreign languages or have international meetings because it provides easy and quick translations. The device is able to recognize 3,000 words per minute. The translation is processed in just 0.5 seconds and is almost 98% accurate. It can also be used to enable dictation for you to read the text and transfer it to your laptop. Other great features include that it supports non-UI languages, 55 OCR languages, 112 text translation languages, and 112 voice translation languages. Number 8. Kloska Helmet Loop. This helmet is designed to provide you with protection whenever you're riding a bike. It aims to secure your skull from any kind of hard impact. It prevents the jerk or collision from reaching your head by distributing and dispersing it around the helmet. The helmet is prevented from deforming and folding with the help of the folding pattern system. It is unisex. Its space can be reduced by up to 47% in just a few seconds, which makes it compact and convenient to store in a bag when it is not in use. Number 9. Primo Universal Cat Litter Scooper Holder. This carefully designed scooper holding is long-lasting. It is structured in a way to fit every kind of scooper, either the long handle or plastic. Now, collecting the litter from a scooper is made easy. Now, clearing your litter trays and throwing the litter in the bin is an easy job. The ergonomic handle prevents dirt or litter from being scattered around and making your surfaces dirty. After use, it can be cleaned with only soap and water. It comes with a hanger to hang carefully when not in use. Number 10. Breville BSB 510XL. It is an innovative immersion blender that makes your kitchen work easy and fun. It has an easy gripping structure. It makes the task of blending swift and quick. The usual immersion blenders cause scratches on pots and create unnecessary splatters to make your working space untidy. But this one is especially designed with a blade system, bell-shaped base, and internal ribbing brake suction to prevent any such problems and provide better grip and great blending. That's it for today. Please comment under this video to learn about the latest and craziest tech available. We will try to come up with more trendy and crazy gadgets in our upcoming videos. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.